In today's class, we're going to learn how to create professional illustrations in Procreate on your iPad. I love working with Procreate and on the iPad because I have 3 children and it just offers me the flexibility to work wherever I need to. I don't have to be in my studio. I can grab my iPad and my pen in the living room or on the go if we're at the library and get work done whenever I have a short moment. In this class, I'm going to show you the basics of Procreate. If you're just a beginner, we'll go over all the tools and the menus really quick, and I'll give you a tour, and then I'll show you some of my favorite commands that I use that makes Procreate so fun and easy to use. And then we'll create a practice illustration together step by step, and you can see what I think when I illustrate and how I organize my layers and how I add depth and interest with texture and colors. Hi, I'm Mirka, and I'm a picture book author and an illustrator, and I've worked with publishers big and small for the last 5 years, and I've created books for kids ranging from picture books to graphic novels to nonfiction. I've been using Procreate for about 7 years, and it's the program that I use most for my work, and that's why I'm really excited for this class to show you and share the things that I've learned along the years. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!